Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a beanie. All the materials I use for this project will be linked in the description box below. I will be using a 5mm hook. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and stitch markers. I would recommend using cotton yarn for this project, but you are more than welcome to use any other type of yarn. Just make sure you check your hook size with the yarn you end up choosing. Here's a quick reference guide in case you would like your beanie to be larger or smaller. I will be making a baby beanie 12 to 18 months. So we're going to start off by creating a slip knot and a chain of 34. So this is going to be the height of our beanie. For round one, we're going to half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. So you're going to skip the first stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull, and you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to place a stitch marker into the first half double crochet. And we're going to continue to half double crochet all the way down until you have 5 stitches left. On the last 5 chains, we're just going to place a single crochet. To do a single crochet, we're going to insert our hook, pull, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. If you would like to, you can place a stitch marker into that first single crochet. For round 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn your work over. So now we're going to start working on the back loops of each stitch. So we're going to place a single crochet into the next 5 stitches using the back loop only. For the rest of the round, we're just going to continue to half double crochet all the way down using the back loop only as well. For round 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn your work over. And we're going to continue to half double crochet all the way down until you have 5 stitches left. And again, we're only using the back loop only. And we can place a stitch marker here so that we know this is our first half double crochet. On the last 5 stitches, we're going to place a single crochet using the back loop only. And we're going to keep repeating rounds 2 and 3 until you've reached your desired length. So we can go ahead and chain 1, fold our beanie so we can close it up, and we're going to slip stitch using the back loop and the front loop. We can go ahead and cut our yarn. Just make sure to leave a long tail so we can sew the top of our beanie with the tapestry needle. Make sure to pull it tightly to close, and I would make 2 to 3 knots just to secure it. Make sure to weave in your ends, and you can go ahead and cut off the excess yarn. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly videos, and I'll see you in the next one.